Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So guys, a few days back, uThami posted these pictures of himself, which you should be seeing on the screen, where it looks like he's wearing a correctional services or service uniform. Now, it's not the first time he's posting these pictures, but they can get like a bit confusing. The other ones that he posted, like I could see like there was a difference because he was looking way slim. I was like, okay, these are old pictures. But this one, because these pictures have the ones that you're seeing have filters, like it was difficult to tell if these are recent pictures or these are old pictures. Now people in the comment section were like, kanti uThami wena usebenza. I'm just like, yo, I shame abantu bayakhuluma. People want to know ukuthi uThami kahle kahle usebenza. Other people are like, hey, kanti uThami, don't you say you a teacher? The comment that finished me is when now someone is saying, he teaches prisoners. I'm like, hey, but guys, someone else said, apparently he teaches prisoners. I'm thinking to me, I was laughing at this because I'm just like, guys, how do you get to like in my head, I'm just like, there's no way a correctional service teacher, I don't know in my head, I'm just like, I don't see a correctional service teacher wearing the same uniform, but at the same time they are like employed by the same company, so it would make sense. But I'm just like, I don't know guys, if you joke the way like I'm taking it as a joke. I don't know because omunye ute apparently, so angazi ukuthi is it a joke or is there a truth in it that uThami kahle kahle he teaches ejele, guys, he teaches prisoners. But we do know that he is in Dubai. Coming to think about it, he is in Dubai, and even if he was teaching prisoners in Dubai, you guys, they don't wear the same uniform as us. So angazi, like I'm just thinking, uzithobile, when she had her interview, she did say he's a teacher, but she didn't specify when, like maybe he's a prisoner, like prisoner's teacher, or what type of teacher. But he was marking papers on the show. Angazi, maybe in the prison they also give them homework and mark papers. Angazi, you guys, tell me what you think about this. If you found this a bit hilarious, the fact that people are like, no, he's a teacher at jail, like he teaches prisoners. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.